Hey everyone, I'm Chiral and I'm pursuing my MTech in mechanical engineering. I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Recently, my friend told me that there's an online competition held by Talent Box. It's for people like photographers and short film makers, and I was really glad about the competition because I always had a passion for photography, but I never got an opportunity to get into any competition. But Talent Box gave me this opportunity, and right now I'm standing here as the runner-up of the competition, and I also got a cash prize of rupees 5,000, which is really great. And this is going to give a lot of opportunity to all the budding photographers and all the other talented people out there who is looking out for chances like these. And since it is a national level competition, it's going to increase the weight of my CV, and I'm really happy for that because it will help in my campus placements. And I really want to thank the entire Talent Box team for giving me this opportunity.